Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers and the rear windshield wiper on a 2001 Toyota Highlander. This is a really easy maintenance item that you can do in your garage with nothing more than the tools God gave you and a little bit of your time. Do not take this to a mechanic or, heaven forbid, the dealer. Do this at home in your garage. It is very easy, super approachable, and an excellent way to save money. Let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing we need to do is lift our wiper arms up into a more workable position. You might notice that the driver's windshield wiper is actually longer than the passenger's. So how to get these off can be a little bit tricky, and this applies to both wiper arms, so I'm just going to show you the easier one for filming purposes. And you see this little teeny tiny tab at the end of my finger? Push down on that. At the same time, push the wiper backward. That trips the safety, just like that, and you can remove it. So here are our old windshield wipers. You can see this one, rubber's actually falling off of it. It is basically junk. So we have a replacement unit, 19 inches for the passenger and 22 inches for the driver. Don't worry too much about these little adapters. These are for older stuff and specialty. Basically, the apparatus that comes on here is for a J-hook, which is what this is. So the stock one is just fine. So you can compare them in length if you want. Yeah, 22 for the driver, 19 for the passenger, and I will leave links down below in the description for both of these. So with automotive, sometimes when it's a little tricky to get off, it is exceedingly easy to be put on. All you have to do is line it up into this channel like this, and then just push the whole windshield wiper that way. So it makes that sound. Now, it's not going anywhere. Now we can just put our wiper arms, starting with the passenger, down, just like this. And now, we're ready for the rainy season. So to replace the rear windshield wiper, what we can do is actuate the arm backward like this. And then, we just take the wiper blade, move it out like that, and then just pull towards us. Just like that. Very easy. So here is our new unit, linked down below in the description for you, and you see this little divot here that needs to go kind of towards the tailgate, and you're going to aim for this arm, this little cutout, make sure that's in place like that, and then actuate it backward like this so you hear that nice gratifying sound. And then, of course, just lower your arm back onto your glass very gently, and you're all done. So that's how to replace your windshield wipers and your rear windshield wiper on an 01 Toyota Highlander. This is an absolutely easy way to save money, start working on your car, and anybody could do this with no tools at all. All you need is your hands and a little bit of your time. If I had to guess how much this would cost if you took it to like the dealer, they're probably going to charge you about $100 for those 3 windshield wipers. This was nowhere near $100 worth of work. It was like, I don't know, 2 minutes. Seriously, do this work yourself. You'll be thanking yourself, you'll feel good that the job is done right, and you'll be ready if it rains. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time.